Now we'll be talking about how to explain general knowledge to your kids in a fun way that they'll remember. How many of you have done any kind of history before? And how many of you have absolutely loved going to history class? Put your hand up. Not many of you, right? And why is that? I personally loved history, but why in most cases do people not like history? Is it because they're not interested in history? Or is it because the way their teacher taught them was in a very boring way? I would say it's because it was taught in a very boring way. So today I'm going to tell you how to explain the musical periods in a fun, lively, and easy to understand way. So first off, let's talk about the Baroque period. Do you know that in the Baroque period, so say this to your student in a very enthusiastic voice, do you know that the Baroque period was around 1600 to 1715? And during that time, it was very difficult to be a musician. If you wanted a job, the first place you had to go to was the church. That's right. In Europe, the only place that would give you a job first off is the church. And that's why every composer had to learn the organ. But once you've learned the organ, that's not enough. So we've had Bach, who at age 18 was working in a church, making a little bit of money. He even had to play and fix the organs for the church every single week. It wasn't a very fun job. And Bach even had to clean the garbage. Do you like that? Yes, say that to your student. Would you want to do this job? No? Yes, I wouldn't want to do it either.
That's not Baroque period though.
Now we'll be talking about, okay, one more time. So as you can see, and also for 4 churches, he was a director. Oh, I messed up, Isabelle.
Just keep talking, I'll edit later.
What was I up to?
You should talk about how he was also in jail. That's kind of funny. Fun fact, did you know that Bach actually went into jail? Went out in jail, and that's when he composed the Well Tempered Clavier.
No, he didn't compose all of it.
Some of them.
And we don't know if it's a fact as well.
Just say that musicians were treated so badly that even Bach was a badass. No, I'm kidding. That Bach also was in jail. Yeah.
Gangster.
Gangster.
So actually say
yeah, you can, because it's for kids. Gangster. That Bach tried to rebel and then ended up in jail. But I don't know if you want to be as goofy as me. Thanos.